Did you know that legally you can take a digital product created by professionals, make slight adjustments, or even use it as is, then sell it across various online platforms claiming it as your own? Well, if you didn't, now you do. Today, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can effectively utilize this strategy to market planners or journals on platforms like Amazon KDP and Gumroad. And the best part, you won't need any design skills for this. We'll be utilizing CreativeFabria, a platform offering commercial use licenses, to achieve this. Welcome back, Rockstars. Your loyalty is greatly appreciated. Whether you're a subscriber or YouTube supporter, thank you for your continued backing. Now let's delve into the world of planners. These are a hot commodity, especially when they're well designed. From fitness to meal planning, wedding to financial organization, there's a plethora of options. Don't just take my word for it, take a peek at Etsy. There you'll find numerous listings boasting thousands of positive reviews and impressive sales numbers. However, the Etsy market is saturated and highly competitive. To stand out, it's crucial to explore less crowded sub-niches. But fret not, you don't need to brainstorm these niches yourself. Enter ChatGPT. Using this AI tool, we can effortlessly generate niche ideas. For instance, within the fitness planner niche, we can explore subcategories like pregnancy fitness, senior fitness, or rehabilitation exercise logs. Now, on to execution. CreativeFabria provides a treasure trove of pre-made templates. These templates cover a wide range of themes and styles, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your niche. Simply select a base template, make the necessary tweaks, and voila! No design skills required. After purchasing the template, remember, they're offering a special deal. Head over to Canva for easy editing. Canva offers a user-friendly interface where you can customize layouts, colors, and fonts to match your branding. Once your design is complete, it's time to market it. Etsy serves as an excellent platform for selling digital downloads. Customers purchase, download, and print the planner for personal use. But why stop there? Let's explore other avenues. Amazon KDP allows you to sell your planner as a paperback or hardcover book. The same PDF file you created can now be uploaded to Amazon, and they handle printing, shipping, and customer service. But wait, there's more. Gumroad offers another avenue for sales. Create a free account, upload your planner, and start selling directly to your audience. With detailed descriptions, eye-catching images, and strategic keywords, you can enhance discoverability and boost sales. In conclusion, CreativeFabria is a game changer for anyone looking to monetize their creativity. By leveraging pre-made templates, you can effortlessly generate passive income streams. Remember, success lies in execution. With the right strategy and platforms, earning money in your pajamas has never been easier. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.